Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Fabulously Nappy and I'm here with another NBLX video for you. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, you're welcome back. So today we're doing men's braids, and this is the second time we're doing this client's hair, so yay. Alright, so he came in, we shampooed the hair, then after that I split the hair into 4 equal halves, and before blow drying each half I moisturized with leave-in conditioner, seal it in with some oil, spray my heat protectant spray, and then blow dry. So after blow drying the whole head, I went ahead to separate the hair into 2 equal halves down the middle. Then I'm doing a braid in the middle of the first half, and then at the corner of the first half, and then I did another braid at the other corner, and in the middle of that first half I separated it into 2, and that's where I did my crisscross as I'm doing right now. So I just did the same thing on the other side of camera, and then I'm going ahead to moisturize the scalp because nobody leaves our chair with a dry scalp. No ma'am, no sir, and that's on period. So after that I'm going ahead, I'm just brushing his hair, the hair all around, then I'm putting some mousse to lay down any flyaways, and also because it's relaxing. So I tied it down afterwards, and then I blow dried it. And after drying it up, I'm just going to spray some sheen spray for shine, because who doesn't like shine, right? Yeah. So after that, this is what we have. Yay, we're done. This is super cute, super clean, everything on point. If you'd like to book an appointment with us, please click the link down in the description box. To book an appointment, you can write us either on WhatsApp, on Facebook, or even on Instagram, either one, and we'll respond, or you can use this number on your screen to call us. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. I
can't get you out of my mind.